Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes. You know, the market doesn't move in straight line. If the market is going to go up, it will first of all accumulate, then it will now spike as if to manipulate people, then it will now come back to where it's going. So then CBDR is the one that will determine it. Determines the peak of the day and the time it will happen. Please, let's mute our system in as much as we're not speaking. CBDR is the one that will tell you how far the market can go during London session. During London session is the one that will show you how far the manipulation can go before going to the real direction, to the real trend, where the real trend, maybe the trend has been buying before. It will first of all sell, but how far can the sell go? The manipulation. Let everyone mute. Let's mute. It will tell you how far the manipulation can go before going to the normal trend. Then apart from that, CBDR is the one that will tell you the time that you are going to get your peak. Let's say the market wants to go up. Let's do this. Let me show you this. This is 1 hour time frame. This is XNES platform. I'm using XNES platform. I'm not using TradingView because TradingView is not going to give me my 1 a.m. on exactly after the first candle here is 1 a.m. Let me expand you for you. This first candle here after this is 12 midnight. This is 1 a.m. As you can see there, it's 1 a.m. Can you see it? This is 2 p.m., 2 a.m., 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 24 candles in a day. Can you all see that? So it is only XNES. I don't know of any other platform, but at least XNES is giving me what, and since I'm a time-based analyst, using CBDR, it will make you to stick to time zones. The beauty of trading with CBDR is that you will know when to get the peak of the day and when the lowest of the day, when the day is going to get the lowest and when the day is going to get the highest. If you know your CBDR, you don't have time. Let's say one trend is going before and it gets to a particular time, you know that the market cannot go more than that again. At exactly that period of time, like what happened here, the day, this is Thursday, immediately it got here. No, this is Wednesday. Immediately it got here. I've given it in the group that the market is not going to go beyond that because I've known my time, the characteristics of each time zones. I know when the highest of the day is going to come and when the lowest of the day is going to come. And it's the CBDR that is going to tell you it cannot do more than that. It's not possible. If it goes beyond that, that means it's instigated by fundamental or sentimental analysis, or there's some sentiment towards that. And how do you determine your CBDR, your central bank dealers range? And what is the central bank dealers range all about? Central bank dealers range is the range in between your Asia session and your London session. You are going to get your central bank dealers range. And what they use central bank dealers range for is to measure the liquidity in the market. that is allowable for the players to grab. And when they are going to grab this liquidity, how far can they go during the day? It is the central bank's dealer's range that is going to give you all those information. How far the market is going to go, pre-market gap, we call it pre-market gap in stock, or manipulation in Forex. So let's say the market is going to come down, and how do you get your central bank's dealer's range, your CBDR? The market opens. Let's go to our session. You know, your session of the day is since we are trading GBP USD, which is British pounds against United Nations currency, US dollars. And US dollar, British pound, offices, stock, everything open, and banks open by 10 a.m., 10 GMT in London. And we are trading London economy against US economy, which is New York. We are trading London against New York. So if we are trading London against New York, then we need to know what time does the operators, the players in London, opens their businesses. The players in London open their businesses by 8 a.m., 8 GMT, 8 London. Then the players in New York opens their business in another, which is 8 again in New York. But New York Stock Exchange opens by, opening bell starts by 9:30 New York time, 9:30 a.m. So our CBDR now, let's see how we are going to measure it. Since London is going to close by 5 p.m. London time, which is 17 GMT. Then let's count. Let's start from Friday. This is Friday. Okay, let's just mark any day. Let's mark any day. Let's count 1. Can you see here? 1 a.m., 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 17 GMT. That is where the London close. This is your London close. Let me mark it. Let me mark the London close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 17 GMT. You can see it there. It's written there. That's 17 GMT. That's London close. Then we go to this 17 GMT. To 6 GMT. That is your Asian range. Let me highlight it. All this, you are going to highlight it. Okay, let's not highlight that. Let's just put line. Let's put straight line to mark our Asian range. This is the highest of the Asian range. This is the highest of Asian range. And this is the lowest of Asian range. Can we all see the screen?
Yes.
This is your Asian range. This is your Asian range. Asian range. This is your Asian range. Everything inside this box is your Asian range. Okay, let me do it like this. I don't want to use long line. Let me just use short. Let me use info line.
Use a box. I think it's better for us. Use a box.
Box.
Rectangular
Okay.
box. Yes.
Okay. You know, I'm still going to mark CBDR inside the Asian range. That's why I don't want to use box.
Use different colors.
Different color. Okay, let me use box.
Within it. Yeah.
This is your Asian range. So let me delete all this. That's your Asian range. And this is the daily separator. This is where the day starts from and ends here. This is where the day starts from and ends here. But that's not where the real market day started from. Do you understand? Market is like when you are in Nigeria, like Nigerians, the day starts by 12:01 a.m. Will you go to the bank and do transaction by 12 a.m.?
No.
Because of what? The bank is closed.
It's still our night. Yeah.
The bank is closed. Will you go to the bank by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. to do any transaction?
No.
Okay. Then if you are trading GBP USD, you don't have anything to do in the market around this period. This is accumulation zone. If you are trading GBP USD, you don't have anything to do in the market. Let's mute. You don't have anything to do in the market during Asian range. Let's mark another Asian range. Let everybody mute. Let me mark another Asian range here. From 17 GMT, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From here to 6 GMT, after here, can you see you don't have anything to do in the market? The bank has closed here. So let's say you are selling downward before, the bank has closed here. Can you see there? Anytime it is 5 GMT, exactly 5 GMT, get out of the market. You don't have anything to do in the market again. Do you understand?
Oh boy, yeah, this one mad though.
Can you see this? I've not started CBDR. This is still Asian range. Let's say you are selling or you are buying, you don't have anything to do in the market. As soon as it's exactly 5 p.m., this London time, which is 17 GMT, you don't have anything to do in the market. Let's go forward again. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Anything from here, can you see this candle? The market has closed. You don't have anything to do in the market. It can go down, it can, all this one, they are retail sentiments. It's not, bank does not participate in all those ones. That's why you see it, they are shopping. All these zones, they are manipulation zones. It's very, very dangerous. These are, is the same thing as playing with the tail of a wall gecko. Anybody trading all this area, it's like you are playing with the tail of a wall gecko. It's very dangerous. You don't have anything to do in the market. because it will be accumulating orders, manipulating as if it's buying, it will sell. If it is buying here, it will sell below this level, it will buy again, it will sell. It doesn't, everything around this area or this Asian range don't trade. Do you understand? Then let's now go to our CBDR. Your CBDR is between, from your daily separator, 3 candle forward and 5 candle backward. Do you understand? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Do you understand? Can you hear me?
Not exactly, sir.
I said your CBDR is 3 candle forward. That's 3 GMT. And you count 3 candle forward. You count 5 candles backward. Do you understand? I will show it to you on the system, on the chart. Do you understand? Hello?
Not exactly, sir. Let's show us on the chart
Okay.
so that we'll know the one that is, we don't, personally, I don't understand the one that is forward and backward.
Okay.
Backward from where, forward from where?
From the daily separator, you know, I've shown you this is 6 GMT candle, right?
Yes.
6
Yes.
GMT candle.
Yes.
And from here, which is 1, 2, 3, this is your CBDR. Then you count 5 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Inside the Asian range.
Inside the Asian range. And it is body to body, not with wick. You know, Asian range is with wick, right?
Okay, sir,
Body.
count again, please. Count again.
So body without wick. Let me select it so that you understand. This is 1, 2, 3. You pick it like this. Then, okay, we know that that's it there. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candle backward, 3 candle forward, body to body. Don't include the wick with it. It must cover all the bodies that are inside the range. Can you see it? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body to body. Let me change this color. Okay, can you see the CBDR very well now? It is 3 candle forward. 1, 2, 3. 5 candle backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Please, can you repeat?
You said?
Can you repeat what you said now?
I said 3 candle forward, which is 1, 2, 3. 5 candle backward from the daily separator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body to body, don't mark the wick with it. It is only Asian range that you mark the wick. Then let me label this. This is your CBDR. CBDR. Your CBDR is gotten inside Asian range. Can you see it?
Yes.
That is your CBDR. Then with this, your CBDR, if your CBDR is standard when it's less than 45 pips. Then it implies the highest of the day for sell will be between 7 GMT to 9 GMT. Do you understand that? If your CBDR is less than 45, that means it's a standard central bank dealers range. Do you understand?
Yes.
For you to know your CBDR is standard, it needs to be less than 45 pips. If it is less than 45 pips, then your entry time, if you are going to sell, the highest time, because we always want to buy the dip and sell the top. We don't want to jump into the market in the middle. We don't do that. So for you to get the highest where you are going to sell is between 7 GMT to 9 GMT. That's where you are going to get the highest. And the highest can be 4 standard deviation. It can be as far as 4 standard deviation. That's the manipulation. So let's look at this. This like this. What is our CBDR here? Let's measure it. Let's measure our CBDR out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it is standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body to body. Then let's measure it. If it is up to 45, this is 32 pips. So that means it's standard. Between 7 GMT to 9 GMT, you can get a good entry. But the good entry we have like 10 minutes more for this session. I will drop the link again so that you can join. I want to copy this. So
I think the upper level, we are not catching the body of the last fifth candle.
the last fifth
Backward.
candle, this is 1,
Backward.
2, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, yes.
He's catching it. That's the top of the body.
Yes.
I'm talking about the body,
Yes.
not the wick.
Yes.
Mhm.
Let's check again the pips, the number of pips.
It's still within, it's within 45.
Okay. This one now is how many?
Wait.
So maybe 15 minutes so you can be free.
You said
Okay,
What time frame?
it's 36 pips now.
this is 36 pips. Yes.
Yes. It's less than 45.
Yes. That means it's standard. And what time are we looking at our entry? Between
7 to 9.
7 to 9. Then let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 8 o'clock, when London open, this is where you are going to sell from. Can you see it? Is that a good sell or not?
It's a good one. But how do you know that you have to sell or buy
Okay.
when the day opens?
That's another,
When the
that's
London
another thing.
opens.
You need to do your top-down analysis to know where the trend is going and you need to know your fundamentals.
Your bias.
You need to know your sentimental, you need to know your technicals, everything. If we know that, okay, like on Wednesday, when I said this thing is going to close here, did it close there or not?
It did.
I forecast that this thing is going to stop there, that you can't go lower as that, it's stop. And I told you guys that by Thursday is going to start buying. But where is it going to start the buying? It's not going to start buying from here. We are going to start the buying as low as here, or it can, I know it cannot come as low as this place because this is reversal. It's part of what I teach in my mentorship class. This is reversal that happens here. But I know since this one is going up, we are going to buy, but the buy is going to start from down. Therefore, we can still sell downward. That's the sentiment that will make me to sell from here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The market moves with both fundamental, sentimental, and technical. You know you are going to buy. It is very, very wrong for the bank to close here. And this is the lowest this is the lowest, okay, this is the lowest of Asian range. Lowest of Asian range is here. It is very, very wrong for the bank to continue what the retailers started. Retailers started moving the market upward, and you expect the bank to start buying from where the retailers put it. The bank is going to start the day where they stop, even lower. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, yes.
So that
Yes,
means,
sir.
since I know the day is reversal, what happened on Wednesday, since I know that Thursday is going to reverse it, and the bank cannot start buying from here, I will first of all sell, then buy. My bias is buy, but I know I cannot buy from here. It's not possible for the bank to buy from here. So I will be entering sell here, then write it down to get my entry from here, this other block, then I buy up. And I know that the following day, I don't trade on Friday. I don't trade on Friday, but I can swing from here till I get to where I'm going. But let's go back. This thing will soon close. I will send another link. Do you understand? let me show you how CBDR works excellently. You will see it every day, how it plays out. Do you understand? Let's mark this CBDR. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your CBDR, right? 1, 2, 3 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backward. Body to body, no wick. And this is less than 45. This is 27, right? Can you see that? Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, what time are you going to get your entry? Between 7.
If it's more than 45, that means it's invalid.
If it is less
Right.
if it is less than 45, you are going to get your entry around 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So let's count.
But what if it is more than 45?
That's another time.
Okay.
There's